So, good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay.
So last day, ma'am took your class.
So, and it was like a test for all of you. Okay, so some of you didn't get to answer that day. So today we are going to do that. Okay. So first, I'm going ahead with Debangana, right? So Debangana. So Debangana, what is your hobby? Tell us a little bit about your hobby. Okay.
My hobby is drawing. I started learning drawing from class 2 and I am still learning it. I love to draw sea, sunset, scenery, and I love to do watercolor painting.
Tell me one more thing. Other than sunset and all of that, do you like to draw a forest, or do you like to draw busy streets, or is it mountains?
I like to draw mountains and forest also.
Okay, all right. And lastly, tell me, if you had to draw a character, okay, what should that be?
Doraemon.
Say it in full sentence. I will draw
A Doraemon.
Okay. So do you watch Doraemon?
Yes, sometimes.
Sometimes.
Yes, sometimes I watch Doraemon.
Okay, alright. And thank you so much. Now, moving on to Aishika. Tell us a little bit about your bond with your elder sister. Okay, so we all know that she has an elder sister and she loves her elder sister very much, right? Yeah. Show us how much you love her. What's your bond with her? Okay.
My elder sister is my best friend, one and only best friend, and we never fought
With each other.
with each other, and I always share my all secrets with her, and she also.
Okay.
And my 9th birthday was very memorable birthday for me, and very happiest birthday for me, because
It was the happiest birthday for me.
It was the happiest birthday for me because my elder sister gifted me one big teddy bear. So I was very loved that, and
I was very excited. Yeah, for that you can
for
say.
that.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
And
So
now,
Yes. I was
now-
about to ask. Yes.
Now she is in Noida, and so I am very alone and very sad. So, and
At
then
night.
at night I chat with her, and she also. That's it.
Okay. All right. So you said that you don't have any other best friend other than your sister. So is it true? I mean, do you have any friend in your school? In my school, there is a friend.
Friend, and she was normal friend, but not best friend.
She's only a friend.
Only a
She's
friend.
only a friend, but not
Best friend.
best friend. Okay, all right. Now, Debangshu, right? Yes, Debangshu, are you ready? Okay, so Debangshu, yes, tell us a little bit about your school. Okay? Yeah, let's hear that.
My school name is Narayana School.
Okay,
There is one building.
all right.
There are many teachers, but 2 teachers teach me.
Okay, and How many students are there in your class?
There are
Uh-huh.
30 classmates.
Okay, so you have 30 classmates. Okay, so do you have any friends group?
Yeah.
Okay, can you name some of them?
Animesh,
Uh-huh.
Aniket, Ivan, Srithik.
Okay, so Animesh, Aniket, Rivan and Srithik.
Among them, who is your favorite?
Aniket and Ivan.
You have two best friends.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Okay, and what do you do with your best friends? No?
We play indoor games.
Okay, alright. So you guys play indoor games, right? Okay. Thank you so much, Debangshu. So, Manaswi, first tell me, what's your plan for Diwali?
On Dhanteras, my birthday is there
Okay.
and I will celebrate at Salt Lake.
Okay, but I specifically said for Diwali. Okay. But you want to talk about your birthday, I understand. Fine. Then the question, we will change the question, which is what's your plan for your birthday? Okay? Yes.
My birthday is on Dhanteras, 29 October on Tuesday. We will go to the Salt Lake and we will have the cafe name is AD91 Art Cafe. We will have many activities over there
Okay. Alright, go on.
and my 35 friends are coming in my birthday.
35. Okay. My goodness. So many. Okay. So these are your school friends or your
My complex friends and school friends and teenage
all mixed up?
smallies.
Okay. All right. Yes, go on.
My total friends are 20 and small children are 10
Okay. All right.
and my 5 aunties.
5 aunties. So to all together it's 35 guests. Okay. All right. So what else is happening there?
We will have cake cutting, we will have games, we will have food over there.
Okay. So are you going to give them a return gift also?
Yes, we will give a return gift to my friends.
Okay. And what is there in those goodie bags, you can say?
For girls are there one purse, one nail polish and one customized cup.
Customized cup. Oh, so there's name is there.
Yes.
Okay, wow, great. And what about boys?
For boys, one basketball bag, one water bottle and one ball.
Okay. Football is there. Okay. So many gifts. And what about those little children?
For little children, we are giving toys, water bottles
Yes.
and pencil
Can you please
box.
sit quietly? Yeah? Okay.
And pencil box.
Okay, all right. Great. And tell me something. What was your best gift until now?
My best gift was my mother and last birthday my mother and father gave me one iPad, one smartwatch.
iPad and smartwatch. My goodness.
That
Wow.
was my best gift.
Okay, all right. And last question. Whom do you want to see in your birthday bash? No matter what happens, okay? Even if there's any problem or something, who is that?
My parents.
Your parents. Very good choice of answer. Yes. Very good. And who is your best friend?
My best friend is Nanika. She's in Masuri. She's in hostel right now.
Okay.
She's
So
coming today.
she's coming today. Thank goodness. Okay, she's coming here just to celebrate your birthday.
No, for Diwali.
For Diwali, okay. So for Diwali, are you guys to do a get together also?
No, ma'am. We play. We burn firecrackers. And on Dhanteras, she's there in my birthday.
Okay, all right. Very nice. Seriously, I am very overjoyed that your friend is coming from Missouri just to celebrate your birthday and to celebrate Diwali with you. Okay, thank you. Okay, so Aryan, how old are you?
I am 11 years old.
Okay, you're 11 years old. Okay, what's the name of your school?
School name is IEM Public School.
Okay, and where is it?
My school is located in Newtown.
Okay, all right. Okay, do you have a brother or a sister? Please make it a full sentence.
I have a sister.
Okay, what is her name?
My sister name is Srishti Sao and Shreya Sao.
Okay, so you said you have a sister. That means you have only one sister. Is it correct? No. Okay, then you have two sisters, right? Okay, one's name is Shreya Shaw, another Srishti Shaw. Okay, and between these two elder sisters, who is your favorite? Make it a full sentence.
My favorite sister is my big sister. Her name is Srishti Sao.
Srishti, okay. Srishti Shaw, your big sister, is your favorite. Okay, what do you guys do together?
We fight and play together.
Okay, tell me about your favorite food. Which is your favorite food?
My favorite food is firni.
Yes, okay, alright. And which is your favorite show? Do you watch any show?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
My favorite show is KGF 2.
KGF 2. Okay. So, with that, today's class is ending. Okay. Thank you so much, children.
Thank you.
Yes. Okay.